So you have a chicken that is flying where she shouldn't be flying. The best way to address this is to clip some of her flight feathers. This hen right here, I know, for about a week straight now, 3 or 4 times a day, she has been flying over the fence gate. Yeah, you have. And putting herself in harm's way, leaving the safety of the chicken pen. Now this hen is one of my original old gangster hens. She has survived multiple hawk attacks and multiple raccoon attacks and come out without any harm done to herself every time, which isn't the same for a lot of the other hens. So we want to make sure that she stays safe, and by doing this, we're going to trim some of her flight feathers. Now also, it's important to take care of this behavior because some of the other hens could start copying her. Often with chickens, it's monkey see, monkey do. But because she's a repeat offender and has not learned on her own, we're going to go ahead and trim some of her flight feathers, and we're going to show you exactly how to do that right now. Now this is best done with a sharp chainsaw blade. So what we're going to do is we're going to start this chainsaw up and then get the hen situated in the right position and then cut those wing tips right off. Whoop, I guess not. She didn't like that idea much. I'm just kidding, we're not going to use a chainsaw for this. No chainsaw. What you really need to get is a large machete. The larger the better. And you're going to take that machete and make sure it's nice and sharp, and you're going to hack those wings off just at the right angle. No, we're not going to use a machete either. That's just crazy. The best tool is just going to be a sharp pair of scissors. So you're going to open her wing up and extend her wing out. The feathers on the very end of her wing will naturally extend out like fingertips as the wing extends. These feathers are her flight feathers, which help her lift off from the ground when she goes to fly. So you can cut them from the base or from the middle of the feathers. I like to start off by cutting half, and then if she proceeds to fly where she shouldn't, we can go back and trim a little bit more. Now, she didn't feel any pain from this feather trimming at all. We just trimmed the feathers. We didn't pull them out of the wings, remember? And remember, we just trimmed about half the feathers that time. You can go ahead and do a little bit more. And we also only did one wing at a time. I know, just one wing, which is usually sufficient to prevent her from flying anywhere because it'll make sure that she's off balance when she takes off. You can either just do that one wing or go ahead and do both wings if you just want to go ahead and make sure that she's definitely not going to be able to fly anywhere. Also keep in mind that she's going to regrow these flight feathers next time she molts. So cutting these feathers is not permanent at all. And because we did this, we're ensuring that she's going to stay safe and not fly out of the pen any further. And also, no hens were harmed in the making of this video. What a good girl. What a good girl. No, you did good. You did good.